Hello everyone! In this video, I'll show you how to fix PayPal. We stop this payment to keep you safe. First, sign in to your PayPal account. At the top, click Help and search for Account Limited. If your account is limited, open the article and tap Resolution Center. Here, PayPal will show you what needs to be completed, such as verifying your email address, bank account, or ID. Follow all the steps shown until your account is fully verified. If the issue continues, go to Wallet and relink your bank account or card. Make sure all your details are correct. Once everything is verified, try the payment again. And that's it. That's how to fix PayPal. We stop this payment to keep you safe. Thanks for watching. If this video helped you, please like and subscribe for more helpful tutorials.